Hello, I'm here for making video on CapCut. So yeah, today's in this video I'm gonna share with you how to create a video in your mobile using a CapCut, using a apps that available in your phone or iOS or PC, whatever you have, you can use that everywhere. So I'm right now using it on my phone, so you can use your phone. So just you need to install that from Play Store and tap on there on apps, and you need to you can skip all of that thing that's and tap on first option edit and create on new project, tap on there plus option. And right now I'm taking stock photo that black skin. So wait, oh, a lot of thing added bit CapCut. Oh, it's kind of interesting. So yeah, but I haven't seen before that. Right now I'm here, so a lot of thing added CapCut. CapCut has updated, so therefore you can see a lot of things. So and I'm choosing black option, black color on for background, and I'm doing add audio here. Tap on audio and click on sound, and then you need to click on file option and from device and scroll down which video I will add. So voice number 5, I'm playing that. Hey, in this video I'm gonna share this is, so I'm playing here. Hey, in this video its sound is so decreased, so I'm doing sound increase some hot. So yeah. Hey, in this video I'm gonna share with you how to make it. And I'm cutting first option. Here we say no sound, so click on sound option and click on split and tap on that you want to delete. Tap on there and click on 5 number option delete, as you see before. So tap on there and it has deleted. So my audio is something uh, pull in front of video and it's equal right now. So I'm playing that again. Hey, in this video I'm gonna share with you how share with you create until that text, just text, so something like that. Hey, you cannot do that, so I'm just saying that a lot of YouTubers do that. Hey, in this video I'm gonna share with you how to Hey, in this video I'm gonna share with you how share with you. So until that I will create text, just text. So hey, okay, sorry man. Okay, click on text and split hey, and in this video I will share with you. So right now I need to write that's again hey in. Okay, click on style button and remove that and click write I in. Oh no, not I, in and again tap on there and in this and video. If you want changing color font, you can do that in this video. So I'm saying that font, you can, if you want to change font, something like that, something like that, something like that, but I'm keeping that same. So if you go to style, here you can do that, you can do that, you can do that, you can do that, but I'm saying normal. So you can change color, something like that, something like that. Yeah, okay, I'm keeping white so it is so visible. Okay, and done. So in this video, until date, in this video I am in this video, okay, I'm playing that. Hey, in this video I'm gonna share with you, I'm gonna share with share with you. So let's watch that. How beautiful is that? Hey, in this video I'm gonna share with you how to making video in CapCut. Okay, I'm just right now what I need to do, guys. I need to put footage, something like automated video. So okay, hey, in this video I'm gonna share with you how to making video in CapCut. Okay, I need to double that, copy. Okay, okay, we are putting here footage. So what I had said with you how to making video in CapCut. So tap on black screen and split that. So here I'm putting how to make video CapCut, so editing to system. So let's see in CapCut has this video available or not. So replace, tap on replace and click on stock videos and search here edit. CapCut has a lot of beneficial thing. So even stock footage, stock photo, everything you can keep here. So edit system here is not available, edit footage. So you need to go Google and search Pixby or Pixel. So Pixel footage. So tap on there. This is a website for um, creating footage, something like that, automated video created by this photo. So tap on there and search video edit. So CapCut, I don't know what's your channel, you can search here whatever you want, like making money video and traveling video, whatever you want. You have channel, so you can search that here and you can find easily here. So CapCut video editing. So see that is available or not. So yeah, it's available, so I'm download that. I don't know what time it's taking for downloading. Okay, it's normal, no problem. Okay, I'm putting that on my video, going to CapCut and back and tap on there and replace, click on replace and video has downloaded from CapCut. So tap on there. It's so easy to do, straightforward. In this video I'm gonna share with you how to making video in CapCut. If you want transaction, you can tap on there and you can see that light effect, glaze, distortions, light split, mask, mg, whatever you want. So just click on there that you want for transaction in your video. So something like that. If you want that, it's easy. It's so okay. It's so beautiful for see. Hey, in this video I'm gonna share with you how to make a video in CapCut, totally free. This is would be automated video, totally free. I'm putting here free photo option. So you need to do split and replace and going your gallery or CapCut uh, stock video or stock photo. Right now I'm going to stock video, CapCut stock video or footage. So writing here free, so search for tap on, and here is a lot of free footage about free. So I'm taking that, and it's so kind. So in CapCut, totally free. This is man, so matching, so massing. So it's something zoom here because of it's kind of interesting for everyone. Your viewer is engaging thing is had been offered. CapCut, totally free. This is would be automated video. You can create that on your. So it's easy to do. You can do that all of video totally free. So and another thing you want to create, there's a man, and man is stock footage or photo logo is tracking on head. So something like that. I'm saying that would be automated video. You can create that on your phone. Okay, I'm here and I'm just seeing you simple replace and taking a video about work. So search on there, and I need video, so search and tap on there. This is a video. So it's taking some time because it's a native footage on CapCut, so you don't need to go other apps. So yeah, I'm here and I'm taking that on my video and zoom slightly, and I'm taking just it's not perfect, but I'm just saying to you. So if you want, right, I need to a sticker. So I'm taking a emoji. You can create that on your phone. Okay, and it's something increased brightness. So okay, I'm just saying you it's not perfect, so no problem. You just tap on track and put on there and start tracking and something like that. You want to do like that, so it's easy to do. Yeah, and so if I have video, yeah, it's so easy. You can create that on your phone. You can do that yourself. So okay, cut that and delete. Automated video, you can create that on your phone. So yeah, it's easy to do. So yeah. Hey, in this video I'm gonna share with you how to making video in CapCut, totally free. This is would be automated video. You can create that. Okay, today that's it. So if you have any editing tutorial, if you want in next video, you can comment in my box. So yeah, I'm always prepared for making video for you. So that's it. See you later. So I'm exporting my video.